everybody. In today's video, I am just gonna be doing kind of, a cleanup video while it's raining because it is pretty rainy out there right now. I don't know how well you can see, but yeah, so let's get started. First, I'm gonna start off with putting the dishes away. I'm gonna give you guys a before and after. So right now, okay, so this is the after for this side of the sink. Now, gotta put that into the dishwasher. But actually, before I do that, I need to empty the dishwasher, so do that first. Guys, sorry. Oh. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'll let him out in a minute, but this is what I mean. If anyone knows what this is, I think it's something with a mental emotional. And like, even when I pull it away, like, it just goes right back on. So if anyone knows what it is, please let me know. I'm going to go let them outside now. I just gotta get my shoes on. Okay, come on, boys. Gotta let this guy out. Don't worry, we're going out. Oh, me. It's outside right now. Here's Buddy. Here's Manny. His back legs don't work super well. Try to get him out. Not sure if he'll be able to get up, but we will try. Okay, ready to go. Come on. Up here? Good job. I'll go for it. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Good job. That. Now I need to actually empty the dishwasher. So I'm going to clean this side of the counter and then this side of the counter. I'm finished cleaning that off. A quick interruption. I hope this video isn't super boring. If you have gotten this far into the video though, please let me know if you want me to do more talking in the video or more just sped up cleaning when I'm doing cleaning vlogs and stuff like that, because I never know the amount I'm supposed to talk and the amount I'm supposed to just record, because I don't want it to be too boring, but I also don't want to annoy you guys with me just continuously talking and stuff. So yeah, just let me know. Okay, so I'm done organizing that. I know stuff is still all around stuff. It's just, I have no clue what that thing is right there. No clue what it is, so I don't know where I'm supposed to put it. But yeah, I think the kitchen's looking pretty good so far. Here it is. I know that stuff. I don't know where else that stuff would go. I feel like it definitely looks worse because of the, you know, the renovations here. Going on for a while, but we still haven't, you know, finished them. So now I'm going to do the laundry. I'm just gonna fold it and stuff and then put the dirty laundry into the laundry machine. Doing the laundry is gonna be the last thing I do for this video. If you guys do want a part 2, let me know and I can make that happen. Actually, you know what, guys? I'm going to use my magical powers, and this will be done as soon as I snap. Okay, guys, I'm finally done with the laundry. So that's gonna be the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Bye.